the shop. Yeah! And I love this car. Or when you see a bridge over the hill, typical state trooper cop section right there. That's my cue to get off the road. We made it. Didn't get pulled over. For the past like 2 months, it's been littered with state troopers. I don't know why, but they always set up speed traps. So there's one here, and then there's like another one down the road so that they can get you. Even though going the speed limit, driving a little flashy car, you know, with a hat like this, it may get you in trouble, folks. But anyways, getting a little later. What am I doing? What's up? It's Papa Smurf. Welcome. Get this door sill done with the metal, but I'm gonna see what I can do with that metal I have. Entire door sill out of my 69 Datsun Roadster, and this is what it looked like. There is absolute, folks. I mean, you could, probably not. It's just freaking littered. You get to cut. So I finally got the chance. I broke out my my Eastwood bead roller. So thank you, Uncle Jerry, for sending me that. And yeah, it worked pretty good. To stiffen up the structure just a little bit on this side, so it's not like whoa here. So I'm gonna cut right there on the flat piece, not all the way through, but just enough to get a nice bend. And right there too, and then it's going to be from there down to there very roughly, and down to there and around the bottom to where it gets flat again. So I know college dropout, yeah, and it is now roughly that width. So all I have to do, since this is, you know, a straight part, I'm not going to worry about like that little thing. If it becomes a problem, I can just massage it in or massage it out. So basically just going to take this piece of metal, mark where the fold lines are, do a slight relief cut with a sand or a grinding disc, go over, do a slight relief cut where the next bend is going to be, do the same exact thing, you know, repeat, copy, whatever. I'm going to schmooze it over and weld it. So it's going to be mint, okay? Alright, so bang, oh. Bend point, bend point, bend point. And all three bend points, you know, 1, 2, 3. That's why I hate beanies, dude. It's like, puts all the heat towards your head. Then it makes it all itchy. Anyways, I've been just banging away. Scratch that, scratch it. This is how far I've gotten. See? I know, right? Looks freaking sweet. Yeah. Look at. I'm just mind blown on how well this turned out. Give me 1 second. Oh, here it is! Ah! Gross! Oh my gosh! This looks fantastic, dudes. Oh my god. It still needs a little massaging, but for what it is, in like literally 3 hours of my time into this piece for a rough draft, this is amazing work. No English wheel. These are the tools that I used. This, I don't know, 4, 5-inch big honker pipe to get that sort of radius in there. Lots of clamps. You know, surveying stakes. Some more cardboard A design. Some flat stock. Some angle iron. 4x4 piece of poplar or something. C-clamps. Conduit. Rubber mallet. Grinder. Hammer. Chunks of wood. I'm pretty stoked. It's pretty damn sweet for with little time I put into this, and it's gonna match up pretty good. A little bit more, but look at this. That's essentially how it's gonna go, and you probably see where you get. Right. I mean, come on, dudes. Sheesh. Look at that, man. Look at. Right? I'm gonna end today's video on a high note. Super stoked. That came out fantastic. And so thank you guys for watching. Like, subscribe, comment. I'll try to get back to your comments. And thank you guys for all the views on my channel. I've just reached like 12 to 1,300,000 views in general. So that's like pretty neat. That'd be cool if we had 1,000 subscribers. So, oh man, I just keep on like stopping and just looking at this piece. Damn. Well, we'll see you guys later. Tune in next time. Make sure you leave the little notification thing on so you can see this stuff just like that. We'll see you later.